Okay, have a 2001 Mustang Cobra dual piston caliper here, and a little difficult to probably see, but up in that, yeah, you can see it right there, that top corner, that seal is no good. So I need to get the seal kit, which there were a few places online that had it. The local O'Reilly had it for one piston for about $6. I also saw Late Model Restoration had the whole front for roughly $18. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this seal on this piston. Now the question is going to be, how do I get this piston back out of this cylinder right here? And you need to use compressed air. And I know that if you're watching this vid and you're like, well, I don't have compressed air. So it can be a little difficult without that. So what we're going to do is use this attachment here, which normally just sprays air, and it had a few different attachments on it. And I went ahead and took out the attachments, and I'm going to push it directly up to this back hole on the cylinder here. And what that's going to do is allow air to go in here and push the appropriate one out. The other way you can do it is you can take off this brake bleed valve, put the screw back in here to block air here, depending on your attachment. And then this one worked well. You can go directly in that hole, and that'll also press air. So you've got a couple of different options for flexibility. So I'm going to go ahead and take this air. I'm going to put it directly on the hole, and I'm going to hold the left piston because I'm not replacing the seal on that one right now. I just want the right one. So I'm going to put it on there. And I feel it. I'm having to hold the left side pretty hard. We've got to get that hole lined up. So we've got this one almost all the way out. I'm going to go ahead and try to put a tight seal on it one more time. There it goes. Out it comes. And so we have the cylinder that has come out. And again, it actually was pressing both out at the same time. So if you want, you could have had both come out and replace both seals. In this case, only the one is damaged. And so now I'll be able to pull out the seal, get the seal kit, and we will go from there. So that's how you use compressed air to get the pistons to get pushed out of this 2001 Mustang Cobra dual piston caliper brake caliper.